Hello friends, today's video is about the top 5 best gaming keyboard. A gaming keyboard is a delight to use. The best gaming keyboard can make a huge difference not just when you're blasting your enemies online, but in everyday productivity too. The best mechanical keyboards you can buy. I made this list based on our testing and reviews. All keyboard links are mentioned in the description. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Let's start the magic. Keyboard number 1. If you are looking for the best, feel the game with Legion K500 RGB mechanical keyboard. Rock your style with per key 16.8mm colors lights. Heavy-duty reed mechanical switches, 50mm clicks lifecycle, with 7 media keys. It also has game mode for focused play. Premium, no frills, and built to last. Say goodbye to mistakes with full, 104 keys anti-ghosting. Premium textured detachable palm rest for total comfort. With 1.8 meters extra durable braided cable. The Legion K500 RGB mechanical switch gaming keyboard promises a gamer a sturdy piece of hardware to dominate the latest titles while looking impressive on his or her desk. Enjoy your gaming experience with the awesome Legion K500 RGB mechanical keyboard. Feel the game with Lenovo. Keyboard number 2. Discover the difference with Apex Pro. Might be the last keyboard I'll ever buy, is the first switch that adapts between gaming and typing. OLED smart display with adjust your sensitivity. Change your music, refine your RGB. 2x more durability, 5x faster actuation, and 8x faster response compared to conventional mechanical keyboards. The fastest keyboard of all time. Feel the magic with Apex Pro, the next leap in mechanical keyboards. Keyboard number 3. Corsair K100 RGB, no competition. Axon introducing hyper-processing technology, enabling most advanced gaming keyboard experiences, delivering up to 4x faster performance. A refined design enhanced by a durable aluminum frame, per-key dynamic RGB backlighting, and 44-zone lighting edge. A programmable IQ control wheel gives you commands on backlighting, running media, customizable to perform actions in games and applications, and more. It has 6 programmable actions and macros plus streaming commands. Magnetic memory foam palm rest with ultra-durable double-shot keycaps. Cherry MX Speed RGB silver switches provide fast response times within an actuation distance of just 0.047, are guaranteed for 100 million keystrokes, and register keystrokes up to 4 times faster than standard mechanical gaming keyboards with Corsair Axon. Corsair K100, creating a fully immersive ecosystem with intuitive control. Keyboard number 4. Meet the Razer Huntsman Elite, the best-selling gaming keyboard in the US. The new Razer optomechanical switches actuation at the speed of light. The optomechanical switch is simply incredible. Razer might have set out to build the world's fastest gaming keyboard. Ergonomic wrist rest for ultimate comfort. The Huntsman keyboard is a breath of fresh air in a world full of cherry switches. A multi-function digital dial with 3 tactile media keys gives you instant access. Keyboard number 5. Paint your play in a truly immersive light with the Razer Cynosa V2, the essential RGB gaming keyboard. The gaming-grade keys with a soft cushion touch. Individually programmable backlit keys powered by Razer Chroma. Infinite lighting customization. Razer Cynosa Chroma Absolute Gaming. Infinite lighting. Tweak this RGB gaming keyboard to suit your playstyle by creating and saving unique profiles and macros. Thanks for watching.